Wagwan gang, so this is SweechTech Hub here. So we are here to demo one of the softwares we just did for one of our clients, Light Up Farms, the CEO of Light Up Farms. We're here with the CEO of Light Up Farms. We have done the software for her. We actually, as at the time this contract was given to us, she was very occupied and she didn't really give us anybody to give us, the required fields and everything for the software and everything. So we used our initiative, we build softwares that work and not into every industry. So we did something and we've demoed it for her. Now we want to hear from her to see her feedback on what we've done so far and what we can do better before we actually push this live for her business to start rocking this machine we just brought together for her. So let's hear what the CEO of Light Up Farms has to say to us this beautiful afternoon. Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon.
So, guys, this is the CEO of Light Up Farms. We're going to get her review now on what she thinks about the system we just built for her. Now, please go ahead. Give us your honest review.
Hi. Okay. This software is a very good one. I think it's going to make our work easier than what we have had. Normally, we use Excel. So, and in our Excel, we keep creating. You go back, you have to create new pages and all of that to upkeep data. So, but with this, we won't be going back and forth to create pages anymore. You just impute and you're having your sum total coming up. I think it's easier. It's easier to just dash into it, do what you want to do. Like what we have here, do this. This is what we do. We keep making lines, trying to put things in order. You see, it's more brain taxing to do it, but this is going to make it a lot easier. So for here, like for example, you see, these are some of our inventories here that we do here. As you can see, this. You see, these are things our inputs. You see, so for me, I would want if you can add. This is actually nice for keeping down our records. Actually, we just use normal Excel to put down our records, but I think this is easier because automatically everything will be coming in here. So on a daily, on everything like this record incomes, or let me say inventories. So for everything we do here, okay, for example now, this and inventory can come under feed, right? Feed can come under it. So for example now, I did feed. For example now I did feed. Quantity, okay, 20 bags. Restocking. Okay. What am I supposed to put there?
Restock a lot. Like you mentioned, you write how many more bags you need, or how many bags are remaining.
From the 20.
Yes. Inventory is like the amount of feed. Like you're using feed now, is the amount of feed you have at the moment. So this restock alert now is okay. If it gets to this number you put here, you are going to be sent.
Okay.
Like an alert that says you need to restock on this particular inventory here. Yes.
Okay, now let me not use this. For example, let me not use this inventory then.
Okay. You want to use another field? You can use expense or income.
This income is what we are putting in the business now.
Yes.
Abi?
Yes.
Why am I not saying chicken sales?
Yes, now it's source of the income. Do you get? Remember that this is a demo. You can still give me like other this thing.
Okay, you know what? After this, I will show you what I have.
Okay.
You know how to maybe reorganize or you understand. And I will also show you other because on our Excel, it's not just this 3 or 4. This one is actually record, but we also have a place for mortality and all of that, some other things, so that it helps us in also the record keeping. So this chicken sales now, this income is supposed to be, let me say, input. It's supposed to be input. So under this input, there's supposed to be a lot of things under.
So for the moment of truth, let's hear from the CEO of Light Up Farms about the things we can do better, the system they have working, and how we can improve what we just built for her. Ma, go ahead. This is the system we have now, right?
Yes.
Okay, please walk us through it.
So actually, not anything much. It's just to make some adjustments. This is what we have running. One cycle. This was the 5th cycle. In fact, what we are on is the 7th cycle. We've not entered the 6th and the 7th that is currently, but we have them on the book in the book. So we take our time to impute them. So from this last one, we had like, okay, this is the stock 4. You can see this is 3, as you can see. And so the first one is still there. So we have like that. We have the 7th one is what is on right now. So, but for the software, we want if you just include some other things. For example, the day-old chicks, feed. We just have some of the important things we need so that they'll just be there, and it will help us to impute our numbers. It will be easy for us to impute our numbers. So I think working with what we have, just finding a way to impute what we have, it also help us. And then our sales record, and the chart. Yeah, the chart we made is very good.
Let's look at the chart.
And the chart which shows what has come in
and what is
going out. And so for me, that is it will actually show your finance. It's good financial overview you get. And if you can have maybe an accounting app that shows everything automatically, if you have made profit or not. So
that is exactly what we've been able to accomplish for you. So what we're going to do now is to make it more in sync with what we've had going on prior to this time, so that it's not as though you are starting with a totally new system.
Yes, just to in sync what we have into the system. And this system is so good that it's self-explanatory. as far as you can touch the computers, it's easy for anybody to work. So it is not something that you have to start learning how to do. As for just total expenses, it's already on the dashboard, you see. So even maybe you say we want to seek facility from the bank, if you just submit this, it's self-explanatory for anybody to run through. And for me, that is why I encourage bookkeeping in my business, because it really helps. From any time you can impute whatever you want, and then this software makes it a lot easier. So thank you, SweechTech Hub.
Thanks. So guys, you've heard from her. We built just the best. So ma, on a rate of 1 to 10, how likely are you to refer SweechTech Hub to business owners who actually want to make their business process easier?
SweechTech Hub, it's just that I can't give anybody 10. 10 belongs to God. You guys have come a long way. You did excellently well. Excellently well. I can rate you 9.
Sharp, we'll take it. 10 belongs to God.
Yes.
9 as SweechTech Hub. Get them.
For me, it's actually making the work a lot easier. Lot easier. When I mean a lot easier. For me, it's making it a lot easier.
Thank you so much, man. We appreciate it. We'll look for more deals from you. So guys, bring deals. We're active. So guys, we've come to the end of the whole review. So I just came to the client's office today to just demo the system. Like I said earlier, when the project came in, they were quite busy, so we didn't really go through the system they were using. So but now we have gone through that system, and we are going to sync that system they have in place with what we've built for them. And you heard from the client herself, the system is self-explanatory. It makes bookkeeping easier and account management software just for them. So what are you waiting for? You know that we are here to stay, and we give you the best. We don't just give you systems that are anyhow. We work with you to make sure that your system is in sync with what you have on ground, so that it's not as though you are doing something entirely new. If what you are doing is still paper-based, we'll look at that paper-based, and then we'll sync it in to make it automated for you. All right, guys. So bring deals. We are always active. Peace out, yo. Yeah.